Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to get right into this video. Today, once again, I don't have time to edit this video all the way through, so please get your pen or your paper out and take notes because I'm going to be telling you the ingredients right now. So today I'm going to be making my co-wash and also my detangler. I use this two different ways, and I will show you guys in a demo video later how I use this two different ways. But for right now, what you're gonna need is 2.5 cups of water. I'm using distilled water. I've just been playing around with different types of water to see if it makes my hair feel softer, if the water is affecting my hair, since I have been experiencing a lot of shedding since COVID, like post-COVID. I have gotten my shedding under control, but now I'm just wanting to see if having, you know, different types of water actually affects my hair growth. So you guys can use regular water if you want to, but I'm using distilled water. Next thing you're gonna need is 1/4 cup of flaxseed. You can use organic flax seeds or just regular flax seeds. Just make sure it's seeds and not the powder. And then the next thing I'm going to be using is 2 tablespoons of burdock root, and then also 2 tablespoons of mbunu leaves. So I will have the ingredients of what all of these different things do and what they help with your hair. But all of these things help with promoting hair growth. It helps with shedding, dryness, split ends, and mbunu leaf actually helps purify and clean your hair. So if you're using this as a co-wash, then it doesn't have like the traditional sudsy feel that most shampoos have, but mbunu leaf has properties in there to help cleanse your hair and your scalp. So that's why I use it as a co-wash as well, especially with me having type 4 hair. I don't want my hair to be dry. I am suffering from shedding, and I just want my hair strands to stay really well hydrated. So that's why I am putting mbunu leaf off in here to be a cleansing agent. So I also actually bought cheesecloth from the store. So what I've done is actually put this mixture into the microwave and zapped it for 15 seconds until the water was more warmer for me. I couldn't stick my finger in there. So for me, I put it in the microwave, but you can most definitely do like a water bath, or you can boil it on the stove. You guys, I just didn't have that time to actually boil it on the stove, but I would prefer to boil all of these ingredients together in a pot on the stove instead of in the microwave. But guys, it worked the same for me for right now while I was like crunched on time. So yeah, you guys, just stay tuned for my next video, and I'll show you guys a couple of ways that I use this co-wash / detangler. And if you give this a try, please leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching.